Hey guys, I'm Sanglap and welcome to another video. I'm back with my first 2D game made with Python. Not only that, this game is ready to play, not like my open world game Wind of Fire, and I made it under 4 hours of constant hard work. And you guys can download and play the game from the link below and join my Patreon page for the source code. Someone said that it is too bad that it could not be played on Windows XP, but for me, you guys are judge, not he. So now stop wasting the time and let's get started. So here is the code of the game. You can see it is not too big like Sada, it's only 164 lines, and without that it also has more hashtag, that means comments. So this is too big, but don't worry, this is approx 100 lines. So here you can see I used a few modules only, not too much module, and here you can see this is the main part of the game, that means the background image and the console size and background music, and here comes the title and logo. So I named it SpaceTrishit, and here is the player properties, and here is the bullet properties which can the player shoot, and here is the enemy properties, and these are the main codes. So you can get it on Patreon. So go and join my page, and now let's get started. That means let's check out the game. So that's all for this video. Hope you have liked it, and don't forget to hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. You can also support me on Patreon, and my social media links are in the description. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.